Good morning class. Today we will continue our chapter 11 light, shadows and reflections. Okay. So class. Good morning.
Better.
So what is given in activity 1? Look around yourself and collect as many objects as you can. You have to look around yourself and you see that there are too many things which is present around us. You see table, chair, book, bag, pencil, pen, box, water bottle, tiffin box. Okay? There are too many things which we see around us. That is called matter. We call it matter. Okay? So eraser, plastic pen. We see different things around us. If we in this activity, it is given that we see an eraser, plastic scale, pen, pencil, notebook, single sheet of paper, tracing paper or a piece of cloth. ठीक है? Try to look at something far away. अब कुछ दूर की चीजें आप देखो. Throw each of these objects. इन सब objects से, ठीक है? इन सब object की कोई दूर की चीज अगर आप देखना चाहो, so is light from a far away object able to travel to your eye through any of the objects?
No, ma'am, the pencil box is opaque.
Yes. If you use suppose if you use this copy and you want to see far away places from this copy, is it possible to see?
No, because it is opaque.
So we have to identify what type of object is this. Whether it is a opaque, whether it is a translucent, whether it is a transparent object. Okay? So by doing this activity, we have to fill this table 11.1. Okay? Record your observation in a table as shown in table 11.1. आपको observation record करना है. We see that given object or material could be transparent, translucent or opaque. And by doing this experiment, we can see that we can identify the object into 3 different types. Whether it is a transparent, translucent or opaque. Okay?
Ma'am,
See this figure 11.1. Observing objects that do or do not allow light to pass through them. He is observing object whether light pass from this paper or not. He is holding a paper. Okay? Now you have to fill this table 11.1. What you have to do? An object is given. Okay? Pencil. If you want, weave through the object possible. Means आप उस object से pencil से आप partially या fully मतलब थोड़ा हल्का सा we can see but not clearly. ठीक है? Partially means we can see but not clearly. That is called translucent object. ठीक है? और fully अगर आपको पूरा दिख रहा होगा दूर की चीजें तो it's a transparent object. And if we are not able to see the far away object, then that is a opaque object. Is it clear? So you have to fill this table, and you have to fill whether it is a opaque, whether it is a transparent or translucent. Is it clear?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So what exactly are shadows? So shadows होते क्या हैं आप? We see a dark patches on the ground when we walk on the road. ठीक है? अब sunlight तो side से पड़ती है. We see a dark patches on the ground. Ground पे आपको क्या दिखता है? अपना dark patches में shadows दिखते हैं. ठीक है? So now we have to read this activity 2.
Ma'am, in Japan, shadow films are also run.
They will stand up hand before they start reading.
Now one by one hold each of the opaque object is in the
Opaque.
sunlight. Opaque object is in the sunlight
Slightly
above the group. What do you see on the ground? You know that the dark
patch
formed by each one of the
on the ground. Each on the ground.
Each on the ground is due to this shadow.
It's
Shadow. Sometimes you can identify the object by looking at its shadow.
sit. Ma'am, stand up. Slowly now.
Spread a sheet of paper on the ground. Hold a familiar opaque object at the some height so that its shadow is formed on the sheet of paper on the ground. Ask one of your friends to draw the outline of the shadow while you are holding the object. Draw outlines of the shadows of other objects in similar
Way. Nishita, start reading. Start reading from this line. Now ask some other friends.
Now ask some other friends to identify the objects from these outlines of shadows. How many objects are they able to identify correctly? Do you observe your shadow in a dark room or at night when there is no light? Do you observe a shadow when there is just a source of light and nothing else in a room? It seems we need a source of light and an opaque object to see a shadow. It is anything else required.
Is there?
Very good.
Is there?
Is there anything?
Is there?
Yes. So what is given in activity 2? Now one by one hold each of the opaque object in the sunlight. Now you have to hold the opaque object, for example metal box, wooden box, books. Okay, you have to hold opaque object in the sunlight slightly above the ground, थोड़ा सा ground से ऊपर. ठीक है. So what do you, slightly means हल्का सा. ठीक है. What do you see on the ground? Now what do you see on the ground? अब ground पे आपको क्या दिखेगा? You see a dark patches formed by each on the ground is due to its shadow. You see a shadow of the opaque object, ठीक है, which you kept slightly above the ground. अब ground पे क्या देखोगे कि उसके dark patches आपको दिख रहे हैं. That is called shadows. ठीक है. Sometimes you can identify the object by looking at its shadow. आप उस ऑब्जेक्ट का नाम बता सकते हो. यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई दैट ऑब्जेक्ट बाय लुकिंग एट इट्स शैडो. आप इसकी शैडो देख के बता सकते हो दैट इट इज अ बुक, इट्स अ पेन. ठीक है. आप शैडो देख, इट्स अ ह्यूमन, इट्स एन एनिमल. तो आप उसको शैडो देख के आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो. स्प्रेड अ शीट ऑफ पेपर. नाउ सी फिगर 11.2. In figure 11.2, sometimes shadow of an object gives an idea about its shape. By looking at the shadow, we can identify the shape of that object. ठीक है. जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट आप जिसकी शैडो आप पढ़ रही है, आप उस ऑब्जेक्ट का शेप बता सकते हो. If we are holding a book, अगर हम बुक होल्ड करते हैं, कॉपी होल्ड कर रहे हैं एंड इसकी शैडोज पढ़ रहे हैं, you can identify the shape of this object. आप इसका शेप बता सकते हैं कॉपी का. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
So shadow gives an idea about the shape of the object. Good.
Yes, ma'am. Now
So
finish.
if you see figure 11.2, so we get an idea of the shape of object by observing its shadow. ठीक है. By observing its shadow, we can identify the shape of object. So if we now spread a sheet of paper on the ground. You have to spread a sheet of paper on the ground and hold a familiar opaque object at some height so its shadow is formed on the sheet of paper on the ground. What you have to do? You have to take a sheet of paper, keep it on the ground, and now you have to hold any opaque object. If you are holding a book, ठीक है, बुक कोई भी वुडन बॉक्स ले लो, कोई भी बुक्स ले लो, अब उसे होल्ड कर लो एंड ask one of your friend to draw the outline of the shadow. अब उसके shadow क्या पड़ेगा? sheet of paper पे पड़ेगा. ठीक है. and then ask your friend that to draw the outline of that object. ठीक है. जो भी आप books लो, wooden box लो, you have ask your friend to make a
Ma'am, when we take a phone,
while you are holding the object, draw outlines of the shadows of other object in a similar way. Do this experiment with any other object. ठीक है. and now ask some of other friends to identify the object from these outline of shadow. Now ask other friend that can you identify the shape of this object? Can you identify which type of object is this? Can you name the object? So आप उसे इस तरह से क्वेश्चन करोगे कि आप उसे सिर्फ शीट ऑफ पेपर दिखाओगे. ठीक है. फर्स्ट जो आपका फ्रेंड था उसने क्या किया? आपने शैडो पढ़ा जिसका भी उसने ड्रॉ किया. और सेकंड फ्रेंड के पास आप ले जाओगे एंड आस्क देम दैट आइडेंटिफाई द ऑब्जेक्ट, शेप एंड नेम द ऑब्जेक्ट. सो डू दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट विद योर फ्रेंड्स. ठीक है. हाउ मेनी ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर दे एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्टली? नाउ यू हैव टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस that how many objects are they able to identify correctly. कितना ऑब्जेक्ट उन्होंने बताया सही वो आपको ऑब्जर्व करना है. Do you observe your shadow in a dark room or at night?
Yes, ma'am.
When there is no light?
no, ma'am.
No. When light is not present, we don't are not able to see our shadow.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you observe a shadow when there is just a source of light and nothing else in a room? एक डार्क रूम
Yes,
है,
ma'am.
ऊपर से कहीं से भी हल्की सी आपको एक सोर्स ऑफ लाइट सनलाइट आ रही हो. So
मैम अगर हल्की सी भी आ रही है तो थोड़ा
so do you observe your shadow?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. We are able to observe a shadow when there is just a source of light. So it seems we need a source of light and an opaque object to see a shadow. ठीक है, हमें एक लाइट की जरूरत होगी अपने शैडो के लिए. ठीक है, अगर शैडो देखना होगा किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट का या किसी भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म का, so we need a source of light. Is there anything else required? और किसी चीज की जरूरत होगी?
Ma'am, screen.
हाँ, screen. Okay. Anjali, Kamal, start reading. Anjali, start reading activity 3.
Trees, buildings, or any other object behind your friend, would you see the shadow of your friend's head? This does not mean a building that there is no shadow. After all, the light from the torch is not able to pass through his body to other outside.
To the other side.
To
Sit
the
down.
other side.
So we start reading.
Now ask another friend to hold the cardboard sheet behind your friend. Is the shadow now seen on the cardboard sheet? Thus, the shadow can be seen only on a screen. The ground, the walls of a roof, a building, or other such surface act as a screen for the shadow you observe in everyday life. Shadows give us information about shapes of objects. Sometimes shadows can also mislead us about the shape of the object. In figure 11.4 are a few shadows that we can create with our hands and make believe that they are shadows of different animals. Have fun!
Yes, sit down.
Activity 3.
Recently What's your homework? That you have to read activity 3 and activity 4. ठीक है? And yesterday, tomorrow I will ask questions from this activity. You have to explain that activity. ठीक है? So read it carefully and write the meaning of difficult words.
What is the today's word for period? Yes, ma'am. We can do in our